It would be nice to place some lanterns along the path to create the atmosphere of a festive Christmas village. Between the lanterns, we can add light strings that blink in random colors. We'll take care of the blinking later, but let's activate it for use in co-blocks now, before we start duplicating our light strings across the scene, so we don't have to do it multiple times. Select all 3 objects and group them together. Then start duplicating the group and distribute it along the path. To keep filling our Winter Wonderland, how about adding some people ice skating on a frozen lake? We can use this cylinder as the base for the lake. A grass texture tinted blue might work well, and lowering the opacity will make it look more like ice. The ice skaters can be found in the characters library. If you like, you can also place another path to connect the lake to the main road. Now it's time to bring Santa into our scene. In the transport category, you'll find pre-made parts for Santa's sleigh. And Santa himself can be found in the characters section. We can use the stags in the library as our reindeers. Place Santa in his sleigh and duplicate the objects that will serve as the reindeer to place them to the bridle. Group everything and give it a clear name so it's easy to identify when coding later. But first, let's define a path for Santa to fly along. Position Santa accordingly. And feel free to make the path a bit uneven if you want. There's still a lot of empty space in our scene, so let's fill it with a winter forest. The Botany object from the Nature category works perfectly for this. By holding down the Alt key, you can duplicate the blue dots to create a custom shape for your forest, allowing it to fit nicely around the other objects in your scene. Nice! That already looks really promising. In the next chapter, we'll dive into co-blocks to bring our world to life.